Hello everybody, welcome to the book club. Today we are going to see the summary of the book, Ravan, Enemy of Aryavarta. Ravan, Enemy of Aryavarta, is a novel by Indian author Amish Tripathi and is the third installment in the Ramchandra series. This novel offers a nuanced portrayal of Ravan, delving into his complex character, motivations, and the events that shaped his destiny. Chapter 1. Birth of a Naga. Ravan is born to Maharishi Vishrava and Kaikesi, marked by Naga deformities. His father, ashamed of his son's appearance, orders his elimination. Kaikesi, with her brother Marich, escapes with Ravan and his newborn brother Kumbhakarna, seeking refuge. Chapter 2. Childhood and early struggles. Growing up in exile, Ravan exhibits exceptional intelligence and ambition. He becomes enamored with a girl known as the Kanyakumari, who inspires him to pursue greatness. However, societal rejection due to his Naga identity fuels his resentment and desire for power. Chapter 3. Rise as a smuggler. Settling in the southern regions, Ravan enters the world of smuggling at a young age. His strategic mind and ruthlessness enable him to build a formidable network, providing for his family and gaining influence. Chapter 4. Encounter with Vedavati. During a mission, Ravan encounters Vedavati, a woman who bears a striking resemblance to the Kanyakumari. Despite her marriage to Prithvi, Ravan becomes obsessed with her. Tragedy strikes when Vedavati and her husband are killed due to a conflict involving Ravan's wealth. In a fit of rage, Ravan massacres the entire village responsible, marking a turning point in his descent into darkness. Chapter 5. Conquest of Lanka. Ravan's ambition leads him to Lanka, where he overthrows the existing regime and establishes himself as the ruler. Under his leadership, Lanka flourishes economically and militarily, becoming a dominant force in the region. Chapter 6. Battle of Karachapa. Ravan challenges King Dashrath of Ayodhya, leading to the Battle of Karachapa. Utilizing superior tactics and weaponry, Ravan defeats Dashrath, further solidifying his power and expanding his influence over the Sub-Sindhu. Chapter 7. Desire for Sita. Learning about Sita, the Prime Minister of Mithila and a potential Vishnu, Ravan becomes determined to marry her, believing it would legitimize his claim to divinity. However, Sita chooses Ram, leading to Ravan's humiliation and deepening his animosity towards them. Chapter 8. Siege of Mithila. In retaliation, Ravan besieges Mithila with his army. Ram, compelled by Vishwamitra, uses the forbidden Asurastra to defeat Ravan's forces. Ravan retreats, but the defeat leaves a lasting impact on his psyche and his relationship with his brother Kumbhakarna. Chapter 9. Abduction of Sita. 13 years later, Ravan abducts Sita, discovering that she is the daughter of Vedavati, the woman he once loved. This revelation adds complexity to his motivations, as he grapples with his feelings and the implications of his actions. Ravan, Enemy of Aryavarta offers a compelling reimagining of a legendary figure, challenging traditional narratives and inviting readers to explore the shades of grey in the epic tale. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please find the buying link in description. Like, share and subscribe to be notified. Happy reading.